Ohio, Ashtabula Lakeshore and Lake. High wind warning in effect from 8 p.m. this evening to noon Eastern Daylight Time Friday. West winds 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? In Pennsylvania, Northern Erie and Southern Erie counties. In Ohio, Lake and Ashtabula Lakeshore counties. When? From 8 p.m. this evening to noon Eastern Daylight Time Friday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details. Areas impacted will be mainly along and near the lakeshore. People should avoid being outside in forested areas around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. A weather message. For the following counties,